Typing a search query shouldn't fire a real request on every single keystroke. Let's fix that with a real debounce. A naive live search fires a real fetch call on every single keystroke, which is wasteful and can even let results arrive back out of order. Debouncing waits for a real short pause in typing before actually sending the request, using clearTimeout to genuinely cancel the previous pending attempt every time a new key is pressed. The real filtering itself happens server-side, based on the query string, which keeps the client-side code simple. This real variable, declared outside the handler, is what lets each new keystroke genuinely cancel the previous pending one. This real event fires on every single keystroke. Typing Mike genuinely fires it 3 separate times. This real line cancels whatever real fetch was about to fire from the previous keystroke before it ever gets sent. Capturing the real, current input value at this exact moment. This real request only actually fires if 300 milliseconds genuinely pass without another keystroke resetting the timer first. EncodeURIComponent here is a real, necessary step. It safely escapes real special characters before they go into a URL. The real server has already done the filtering by the time this response arrives. The real DOM updates with only the results that genuinely matched straight from the server. 300 milliseconds is a real, common debounce delay, long enough to skip mid-word requests, short enough to still feel instant. One real event listener, one real debounced request per genuine pause in typing. A genuinely real risk. A slow earlier request could technically land after a faster later one and overwrite the real results with stale data. A real controller can cancel the previous fetch entirely when a new keystroke arrives, so only the genuinely latest request's response is ever allowed to render. Search as you type suggestions in a real address bar or command palette. Use this exact debounce then fetch shape under the hood. Next, another real-world example, loading more content automatically as the user scrolls.